Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to take screenshot in MacBook Air. So whether you are using MacBook Air with M1 chip or MacBook Air with M2 chip, the process are same. So there are two ways by which you can easily take screenshot. So what first way is to click on just press command shift and 3. Okay, press command shift and 3. So you will see that this immediately take the screenshot of your screen, okay, like this. And the second way is to click just press command shift and 4. So when you the difference between these two method is, first method it will take a whole screenshot, the screen whole screens screenshot, and the second way you can choose which part of your the screen you want to take a screenshot. Okay, so I want to take a screenshot of this part, so you will see that. So like this you can see that it will take only that part of the screen shot. So like this you can take a screenshot in MacBook Air. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.